But most importantly, and you're not going to hear this from your orthodox medical doctor, you're not going to hear this from your health food store, you're not going to get it from anybody selling some, I can sell it cheaper to you than anybody else catalog type of thing, these things that people look for because they simply don't know any better. So they look for the cheapest when you don't know any better. So the result of this is they miss out on one of the most important parts of nutrition that your doctor's never going to tell you about, and that is called the phytochemicals. In vegetables, there are thousands and thousands of phytochemicals necessary for the cell structure of our body that are so new, and because no one can take these phytochemicals and isolate them and patent them and do all this type of thing, that very little is talked about. This is the future of nutrition. This is what you're going to see in the future. You're going to see more and more people talking about the phytochemicals, the thousands and thousands of phytochemicals that have kept the human race together. You cannot get phytochemicals in a pill. For this reason, we have gotten such incredible results with people where all others have failed, because we put people on raw juices. We get people well. We resurrect people that the doctors say, well, there's no hope, there's no this, there's no cure, all of this nonsense that you hear. And we see people can get better, and they do get better when you get back to nature, when you get back to what God put into the earth. We get back into the origins of some of the great naturopaths in the past, such as Father Hippocrates, who said, let your food, not your drugs, people, but let your food be your medicine. Let your medicine be your food. What is he talking about? Is he talking about waiting for your body to fall apart and then go find some food to heal you? No, he's talking about every time that you sit down and eat a meal, you don't put a Whopper in your body. You don't put a Taco Bell in your body. You don't put a Dunkin' Donut or a Starbucks or a Danish or a bagel or some kind of Pizza Hut into your body and wonder why your body falls apart. You've got to get real food in your body. And then we need to supplement the real food with something as beautiful as the 2 dozen vegetable juice concentrates all into one supplement. That is the beautiful, beautiful part of the great abundant life. Because we're going back to nature. Because we believe in nature. This is what naturopathic medicine is. This is not dietitian work. This is not medical doctor work or alternative medicine work. This is real medicine, the medicine of the ages that has kept this world alive and kept the human race alive generation after generation. This is what we stand for. This is what we believe in. We stand for this and we believe in it because we believe every deficiency is a sign of a nutritional deficiency. How do we take care of nutritional deficiency? Certainly not by throwing drugs at it, but by getting the right nutrients into the body, getting the phytochemicals into the body. And there's only one way that you're going to get phytochemicals into your body, and that is through the vegetable kingdom. And why do we juice? Because juice, you have concentration of not only phytochemicals, but the enzymes. The enzymes. And almost every single American is deficient in enzymes. And we see this when we do tests on people's livers. So few people have got good enzyme structure to the body. So we have people's livers falling apart. We have people's pancreas falling apart. We have these diagnoses that never should have been. We should never have these diagnoses, because our true scientists tell us that 90% of the degenerative diseases that we're suffering from are completely 100% preventable. This is what our true scientists are telling us. Who are the true scientists? Any scientist that is not on the payroll of the International Pharmaceutical Trust. You see, we stand for something at the Great Abundant Life. We believe in something in the Great Abundant Life. And this is carried over to what we do ourselves and what we recommend to our wonderful patients. Thank you for listening.